Welcome everyone. Today's presentation we will discuss about nucleic acid.
But before we start, they are our objective.
Number 1, what is nucleic acid?
Number 2, types of nucleic acid.
What are the nucleic acid made of?
Number 4, what is structure of nucleic acid?
Number 5, DNA genetic code.
Number 6, RNA protein synthesis.
Number 7, importance of nucleic acid.
And the last one is the summary of nucleic acid. Nucleic acid play a crucial role in storing and transmitting genetic information, shaping the characteristic of living organisms.
Let's dive into the world of nucleic acid and explore their significance in the realms of biology. Alamin natin kung ano ang nucleic acid.
Nucleic acid are complex micromolecules that consist of long chains of the nucleotides.
Sa makikita natin, dito, there are two main types of nucleic acid. Ito ay deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA and ribonucleic acid or RNA.
Ang deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA ay ito yung nag-carries the genetic instruction necessary for the development, functioning, and reproduction of all known organisms.
Dito naman tayo sa ribonucleic acid or RNA play vital role in the protein synthesis and genes expression.
What are nucleic acid made of?
Of course, as an organic macromolecules, nucleic acid contain the elements carbon. Like protein, nucleic acid also contain hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. But nucleic acid also contain the elements phosphorus.
So what is the structure of nucleic acid? Well, both DNA and RNA are made up of monomers called nucleotides. All nucleotides contain three compounds. The first compound is a phosphate group, which contains phosphorus. The second compound is a 5-carbon sugar. All 5 carbon sugars can be called a pentose. A good way to remember this is the pent means 5 and the suffix -ose means sugar the specific. Pentose sugar in RNA is called ribose. The pentose sugar in DNA has one less oxygen than ribose in RNA, which leads to its name, deoxyribose. The third compound is a nucleic acid. Nucleotide is a weak base that always contains nitrogen. For this reason, this compound is referred to as a nitrogenous base. The nucleotides in DNA contains one of 4 possible nitrogenous base. They are called adenine, thymine, cytosine, or guanine. These bases are usually abbreviated as a T, C, and G. Similarly, the nucleotides in RNA also contain one of 4 nitrogenous bases: adenine, uracil, cytosine, or guanine. They are abbreviated as a C and G. Notice that both DNA and RNA have adenine, cytosine, and guanine, but only DNA has thymine and only RNA has uracil. The nucleotides are linked together through phosphodiester bond to form a long chain.
DNA, the genetic code. DNA is often referred to as the genetic code due to its roles in storing the transmitting hereditary information. The double helix structure of DNA, discovered by Watson and Crick, consists of 2 complementary strands held together by hydrogen bonds between the nitrogenous base. The sequence of this base determine the genetic structure encoded within the DNA molecule.
RNA, protein synthesis. RNA is involved in various cellular processes, particularly protein synthesis. Messenger RNA or mRNA carries the genetic information from the DNA to the ribosomes, where proteins are synthesized. Transfer RNA or tRNA helps in translating the genetic code into the amino acid sequence during protein synthesis. Ribosomal RNA or rRNA is a structural component of ribosomes, the cellular machinery responsible for protein synthesis.
Importance of nucleic acid. Nucleic acids play a fundamental role in the continuity of life. They are carriers to transmit the genetic information from one generation to the next, ensuring the inheritance of traits and characteristics.
Nucleic acid also regulate genes expression, controlling the production of proteins necessary for various cellular functions. Understanding nucleic acid is crucial for advancements in fields such as genetics, biotechnology, and medicine.
In summary, nucleic acids are the blueprint of life, carrying the structure for the development, functioning, and the reproduction of living organisms. DNA and RNA, the two main types of nucleic acid, play distinct roles in storing genetic information and protein synthesis.
By unraveling the mysteries of nucleic acid, scientists have made significant strides in understanding and manipulating the genetic code. Nucleic acid continue to be a fascinating area of study with vast implications for the future of biology and medicine.
Before we end, we have a short question. We will give you 1 minute to correct your answer. Number 1. The basic unit of the genetic information is A. DNA, B. Alleles, C. Gene, D. 6 hormones.
Question number 2. The DNA is organized into A. Genetic proteins, B. Genes, C. Alleles, D. Lipids.
Question number 3. A pentose sugar, nitrogenous base, and a phosphate is collectively called as A. Nucleoside, B. Nucleotide, C. Base, D. Lactose.
Question number 4. The amino acids are attached to the A acceptor arm of transferred RNA, B. The arm of the transfer RNA, C. The anticodon arm of the transfer RNA, D. Boundary walls.
Question number 5. Phosphate moiety is present in the A. Nucleoside, B. Nucleotide, C. Nucleotide monophosphate, D. All of them.
Time's up. There are the correct answer.
Thank you for joining us today to explore the world of nucleic acid.
We hope this presentation has provided you with valuable insight into the significance and importance of nucleic acid in the realm of biology.